What's up, guys? There are certain days that really make you feel like you're living in the future. Today is one of those days. When it comes to technology, there are specific days that I kind of remember forever. Like I remember the first time I ever saw an iPhone, the original iPhone. I remember whenever I first paid for my coffee at Starbucks using my phone. I remember the first time I ever saw an Apple Watch. Today is the day that I remember when we installed our first ever robotic lawnmower. So Janelle got this lawnmower because of her blog and her social media influence. So they sent us this thing. It's been sitting in our garage for a while because it needs somebody to come out and install it. And so they came out today and finally got it rolling. I'm pretty excited about mowing the lawn now. Bravo. So I don't really know how great it mows yet, but I'm pretty excited about it, and I'll be reporting in on how our lawnmower is going. Hopefully I never have to mow the lawn again. One of the only problems with the thing is that my dog doesn't like it too much. She's a barking fool. You can control it via Bluetooth. It tells you when it's mowing. It tells you how much battery is left. You could send it back to its home. You could park it, you could pause it. It will show you everywhere on the map by your house where it has mowed. You can adjust how high it mows. You can set a timer for when you want it to be mowing. Right now mine is mowing all day, every day. Probably have to change that. When it's done mowing, it comes right back to its home and goes to sleep and charges up. So far, we're super pumped about our lawnmower. Spent more time outside talking about the lawnmower than I've ever spent mowing my lawn. Beautiful sunset.